Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 21B25. This is your 5/8 trailer hub stud for your 10,000 pound and 12,000 pound trailer axles. Let's check it out. All right, so this is part number 21B25. The identifying marks on it is 21B25, but it could also be stamped some other numbers. There's a lot of different numbers, a lot of different manufacturers. These work on Carter axles, Lippert axles, Dexter axles, and a lot of other brand axles. These are typically found on 10,000 pound and 12,000 pound trailer axles. Let's check it out. So the overall length of this guy is going to be 3.70 inches, so almost 3 3/4 inches. The head is going to be 0.92, and the knurl diameter right here, where it actually presses into the hub, which is the most important part, because if this part's too small, it's going to fall right out of your hub, and if it's too big, it's going to be hard to get it pressed in. So this measurement's 0.68 inches. We'll measure the threads on here to see how long they are. It's going to be about 2 1/4. And of course it's 5/8 by 18, so 0.61 is what it's going to show right here. And yeah, this is the replacement trailer hub stud for 10,000 pound and 12,000 pound axles, and 9,000 pound axles as well. A little bit longer than normal, so you can run an aluminum outer wheel on there with no problem. And this is the Carter brand. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. We sell them by individually, sets of 8, sell them by bags of 100, cases of 200, 400, 600, and always the more you buy, the more you save. So check us out. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.